Click the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Then select the Payments option at the Product Settings section. On the Payment Settings, tap on the Payment Methods option, which will open up this window, and you can scroll down and search for the UPI. Then click on the UPI option just one time, and tap on the Enable button at the top right of the screen. This little window will appear, and you can choose if you want to enable or disable the one-time payment and the recurring payments when your customer purchasing your product. So switch the toggle on or off. After that, click on the Enable button. And you are good to go. Now the UPI payment already enabled for your customer. This is the payment link that I have with the rupee as the Indian currency, and as you can see, the UPI is appear as one of the payment option. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.